Must stop. Maximum 30 speed. Right. Head check. Maximum 30 speed. Left and right. Head check. Right. Head check. Right. Indicator on. Slow down. Must stop. Left. Head check. Turn. Right. Turn off. Indicator. Speed 40 to 45. Right. Indicator on. Slow down. Must stop. Left. Head check. Go 60 to 65. Speed. Indicator off. Right. Head check. Left. Indicator on. Slow down. Left and right. Head check. Turn left. Left. Indicator off. Go 60 to 65 speed. Right. Head check. Mirror. Left indicator. Left shoulder check. Look straight. Then change to left lane. Be ready for U-turn at the roundabout. Slow down. Left head check. Go 25 to 30 speed. In the roundabout. No brake. No clutch. Inside the roundabout. Right head check. Right head check. Indicator right. Then exit the roundabout. Mirror. Right shoulder check. Look straight. Change to right lane. Again take the most right lane and exit. Slow down before the curve. Remember, no clutch, no brake on curves and roundabouts. Indicator off. Maintain 60 to 65 speed. Maintain at the center of arrows to stay in the middle and use your horn if needed. Some people are opening the door of their cars or staying near the road. Always be mindful with the possible hazards. Be ready after this gate. Mirror, left indicator, left shoulder. Look straight, then change to left lane. Maintain 60 to 65 speed. Be ready for the U-turn. Slow down. Left head check. Let the vehicles pass from your left before entering. Enter the roundabout when free. 35 to 40 speed. Right. Head check. Right. Head check. Right. Head check. Right. Indicator on. Exit that roundabout. Mirror. Right shoulder. Look straight. Then change to right lane. Slow down and turn right. Indicator off. Right. Head check. Right. Head check. Indicator left on. Get closer to the broken lines. Slow down. Turn left. Indicator off. Speed 40 to 45. Right, head check. Left, head check. Right, head check. Slow down, indicator left. Left and right, head check. Turn left. Turn off indicator. Slow down, right indicator on. Turn right, to the schoolyard. Turn, indicator off. Left and right, head check. Left head check. Right indicator. Turn right. Then park your bike. Thank you for watching. All the best.